What's up, guys? Today we're going to replace the shocks for the trunk on the Supra. So I'm going to show you how it is right now. There are two shocks there, probably they are OEM. There's the other one on the floor here, they're just dropped. And when you pop the gate, if you pop all the way up, it stays there. But if it drops a little bit, then it's going to come down, which is not good, it's not safe, so we're going to make it nice. Alright, so the first thing, look at this. It opens, this drops, and it's like a free fall all the way. So until it goes all the way up, even here, it's falling. So if you go all the way up, then you're good to roll. But this is dangerous because if I drop a little bit, or is a little bit hot, it changes the pressure of the shocks. Look. Oh, yeah, look. So yeah, it's gonna be a bad day. So let's do this here. Ideally, I should find a broom or something to put in here so it keeps this up, so it's safe for me. Alright, for me, I found this snow shovel. This is gonna hold enough. It's a tiny one, but it's gonna prevent this to come down on my head when I put this, take this out. So let me show you what it is. Alright, I've seen videos about this, but I couldn't believe, so I guess they were right. This, I tried to take this out, it doesn't come out like that. So we're gonna go from here and see what we can do. There are two bolts in here, two screws, 1 and 2, and one pop screw right there. One more on the wall right here. Okay, just gotta be careful putting this back with the drill because I don't want to strip anything. There we go. Here, now we have access to this here, which is already loose. There are two pop-up in here. 1, 2. Alright, 1 and 2. There's one more here. I'm gonna take it, just alleviate the pressure. There you go. So, alright, so from here there are two. One with a normal cap, and this other one is like a clothes hanger, which has a longer bolt. Yeah, with that out, I guess we can yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. Who designed this? I just wanna change the strut. Is that too much thrust? Okay, it didn't work. Seems like I need to take the seat off. What? What? So somehow there are a bunch of bolts for me to take this piece, and to take that piece I need to take this one, which I need to take the seat off. Even this here, what I just did, is no good because I'm forcing this piece to be somewhere where it shouldn't. Alright, it is incredible, but that's true. We need to take the back seat out. I don't know about the bottom, but probably the bottom gotta go too. So there are little pieces here, little black pieces, and you just gotta pop the middle of it, like those guys here. As you pop the middle, it just comes out. What I'm gonna do here, let's see if it's a 13 millimeter, 12 millimeter. There are two bolts, and I'm gonna do a 12 millimeter right here. Alright, one. If you don't have an impact, you're screwed. Took the bottom out too. Just pop it out and then push forward. Take the seats out of there. the buckle. And now we're gonna take this other bolt down here, one side, the other side, and this will come out. Space is a little tight for me here, but a couple more things. You go here to the door, and this is the door trim. You just put the end, push the end, because it has like a little dent in here, and this goes in there. So we want this free. And the other thing is, when you took the seat out, there is one bolt right here. See down there? So we're gonna take that guy. These speakers, I wonder, yep, they come out. This top one is actually in the wall. They went out. They both do it. Nice. Start losing it all. Okay, so now it seems to be free. One more here. That's the problem. You keep pushing this, and even the big manual is not very specific. So you keep pushing it all, it's gonna definitely break it. Okay, so this is the speaker. Now it came out easy, easy, and whew, that is out. So incredibly, just to install this here, I need to disassemble the whole rear end of the car. I don't know who designed this. Oh, there you go. It comes out, but it needs all of that to be out. Now I can reach it. Man, this is not fair. I gotta take the back seat to reach here? For real? Yep. Look at that. I got it. Yeah, see that one bolt up there? So there are two of those, and that's all I need. So now I can reach it. I don't know what the problem with this camera is, but I got my old camera, bought it again. So in short, this is what happens. We need to take that big piece in order to take this little tab in here, right, which is this guy, right? Because unfortunately, if you force it, it doesn't happen here, because it's covered by that piece. So if somehow you can pull that piece out enough, and you're confident that it's not going to break, and you're able to pop this out and move upwards, you're able to take this out, you can change it. You don't need to take any of these, any of these, any of these. I saw some videos, people taking even the doors. Like, you don't need that. We only took that one that has the speaker, and this tiny one here, and the speaker itself, of course. What we do now, here on the bottom, we get a little hold the trunk. I'm gonna take the light out of here because I gotta hold the trunk, but pull this up. It should just come up, but you gotta hold the trunk with one hand just to be safe, because now you're gonna have one strut coming on you. Up here there are two more bolts, two 10mm, and in some cars you just pop that thing out and done, but in this case here, no. Alright, so this is out. So the new one, we're gonna get that little piece, two new 10mm bolts. We're gonna tighten that. Alright, so a couple of things now. If you look at the top here, see here in one side, inside there's a bar on this side, and on this side there's a little clip. Pull this clip and you should be able to slide this in the hole in the car, and then you push the clip in. Don't lose the clip like I just did. And one more thing, use tread lock. So I'm using blue tread lock on the bottom. I'm gonna put tread lock in here. There you go. And this in there. This in here. Okay. I got started. There you go. Yep. Slides right up, twists in, and it's good to roll. Boom. So now I have one down. I'm gonna put that all together and do the other side. So check this out, just replacing one. Look, now it goes up. The other one wasn't coming up at all. So yeah, let me do the other one and then I'll show you the result. All right, finally done. This is the minimum for sure that we can disassemble in order to put this together. I've never seen this, to be very honest with you. I'm gonna put this together in a minute, but yeah, usually you just take a couple bolts there, a couple bolts here, and it's good to roll. This here has a nut from the bottom. Weird. But anyway, that's done. As you see, yeah, look. Yeah, even here it's holding, look. If my hand is down there, it doesn't hurt. Before it was a free fall. So, yeah, look. From here it goes up. So now if you open, it goes up nice and tight. You got this on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link down here. So if you are interested, you can use as a reference. Hope this helps you. These are supposed to be quicker because I really thought in the beginning that people were over exaggerating and all that stuff. They are, but not by much. I mean, they're taking more stuff, but dude, you gotta take the seat to replace the two shocks on the back. Anyway, but I still love the car, so don't get me wrong. I'm not talking crap about my baby, and I like this too. The two babies. This is going to the shed tomorrow to the storage, then BMW is gonna come back in. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button so you get a notification when I post new videos. There's a lot to come, or there's some drifting events coming up, so that's why I'm bringing the BMW. I might finish wrapping, I don't know. Thanks for watching this video, hope that helps you, and later. Look past my face. See status, I'm eating some McDonald's.